Welcome back to the channel, Market Hawks, where we stalk the market, where you come get your financial gain so they don't run a financial train on you. The markets are very volatile, and there's many things that you could be doing. But I'm going to be honest with most of you. Most of us are too old to not take the advantage of this opportunity. I talked about dislocation last time. We talked about stocks being mispriced, meaning that the selling pressure and the stress are pushing the stocks down to where they're below their true value. That's not their actual value, they're below. But today I want to talk about a different subject. A different subject is about positioning yourself. We want to know, how do you position yourself? We have different ways to play the market. Some people are long-term investors. You're putting your money into stocks. You have a horizon. You have a horizon of a period of time. You're looking for your wealth to grow. I always tell you, wealth is made in your sleep, not on your feet. So you're buying good companies that are fundamentally sound over a long term. You're looking for a 1 year, 2 year, 3 year horizon. Whatever you choose, what is your interest point of how you feel comfortable to buy that stock at that price and how long you want to hold it. On the technical side, your exit point. A little bit of fundamentals and technicals. But some people are playing the long term. Then you have some people that are straight out traders. Nothing's wrong with that. The markets are more volatile than ever right now. Volatility. We cannot deny the fact that short sellers just profit 159 billion in 6 days. So that's the way they're playing. They're betting against the market. I'm going to say that again. 159 billion in 6 days. The markets were very volatile. Money is always made no matter what's going on. And I tell you the reason why you're stressing, because you're working more than you're investing. This is a skill you need to get into. You have long-term investors. You have traders. Traders just traded the market down, profit 159 billion. Now, you also have position players. Me, right now, I'm in the mindset of building positions. Yes, I have do puts. I have calls too. But I'm more likely positioning myself in this. What I'm doing, I'm looking for the good, fundamentally sound companies that I own. And I continue to add to my positions. It doesn't matter where I buy them at. It doesn't matter when I buy them. I just have a set time and I continue to buy these companies. What is my ultimate goal? I want to own a certain amount of shares of certain companies. For you, you might want to own 100. The next person might want to own 1,000. Next person might want to own 10,000, 100,000. I'm building my positions in these solid companies that's going to build my wealth and build my portfolio. So positioning, building. You want to own a certain amount of shares of particular companies because you know that when this company decides to grow, that it will also grow your wealth along with it. That's what I've mainly been doing because I know that eventually the markets will turn. That's part of what I always tell y'all. We stay economically woke while everyone else spend money on things don't matter. We play broke. So you have to constantly fine tune and build your portfolio. Don't just look at it and forget it. Build it. So we just went over the long-term investors. They may buy hold for a long period of time. The traders, you just seen they profit 159 billion off of short selling. Me, I'm position trading, a little bit of long-term trading. I do have put options, but specifically position trading. Eventually, you want to build a portfolio with stocks that's going to build your wealth in your sleep, not on your feet. Pay attention to these things. I just gave you 3 different ways to look at the market. You can do all 3. You could do one of the choice, but remember that. Now, last time I gave y'all a gem, Easy Corp. Easy Corp. I'm going to give y'all a little bit of information on Easy Corp. Easy Corp has been pretty strong through all of this. This is some of our Market Hawk report, and this is what we've come up with the research on the Easy Corp. Easy Corp has been strong. So maybe about 10% through this. Now, Easy Corp, ticker symbol EZPW. Give you all a little bit about how Market Hawks information sheets look. Easy Corp. Oh, my fault. Easy Corp is a company that provides pawn shop services across the United States and Latin America. It operates through 3 different segments: the U.S. pawn, Latin American pawn, and other investments. This company offers pawn loans, which are secured by items like jewelry, electronics, tools, sporting goods, and musical instruments. It also sells merchandise, including items forfeited from pawn loans, pre-owned goods purchased from customers. Easy Corp has a digital app called EZ that lets customers manage their pawn transactions, layaways, loyalty rewards online. The company operates under several brands, named including Easy Pawn, Value Pawn, and Jewelry. Impino, Fiso Cash, that's Latin. Apio, Facto, it has a whole bunch of Spanish names I can't quite pronounce. I know a little bit, but I'm not fluent in it. Easy Corp is headquarters in Austin, Texas. Let's give you some of the pros. And I always tell you, pay attention to the economical cues, and you can find the financial clues. Pay attention. We want to listen to the economic cues so we can find the financial clues so we won't have financial blues. This is what this does. Information. Learn how to use it properly. Right? Download it. Utilize it. The pros. Easy Corp operates pawn shops which provide short-term loans secured by collateral. This type of business tends to perform well even during economic downturns because people often turn to pawn shops for quick cash. The company's shown consistent financial growth with annualized stock returns of 27% since 2020. That's a good sign. 3 to 4 years of consistency. Earnings and sales are projected to grow further in the coming year, with 2025 earnings expected to increase to 17.9%, sales by 7.7%. Easy Corp is the second largest pawn shop, operates in the U.S. with 1,100 locations across North America, Latin America. The sales provide brand recognition and operational advantages. Despite growth, Easy Corp trades at a reasonable valuation compared to its historical averages in the broader market, making it an attractive option for value-conscious investors. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe. We're giving you a gem. Cons. Debt concerns. Easy Corp face uncertainties around 2025. Convertible notes repayment, which could pressure the stock price until resolved. Cybersecurity risks. The company faces potential financial losses and reputational damages from data breaches, require constant security updates. Valuation confusion. While analysts see upside to 16 to 25 price target projections, the stock's true value depends on the resolving of the debt and the growth execution, which may be hard for beginners to access. Market sensitivity. It's a pawn shop business, depends on economic condition. High interest rates boost demand, but recessions could hurt repayment rates add unpredictably. Now, I'm not telling you what to do. This is not financial advice. This is information that could possibly change your life. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Wealth is made in your sleep, not on your feet. Check us out again in Market Hawks, where we stalk the market. Just dropping little gems on you.